Your Genesis vehicle uses a smart key fob that can remotely access a variety of vehicle features. A Genesis Smart Key Fob has multiple buttons aligned on the sides of the key fob assembly. The doors on your Genesis vehicle can be locked by pressing the first button on your smart key fob. For the door locks to work, make sure that all doors, hood, and trunk or liftgate are fully closed and the smart key fob is not inside the vehicle. The doors on your Genesis vehicle can be unlocked by pressing the second button on your smart key fob. If the two-press unlock feature is on, only the driver's door will unlock when the smart key fob door unlock button is pressed. If this is the case, press the smart key fob door unlock button again and all remaining doors will unlock. To open the rear smart liftgate or smart trunk, first ensure that you are within 3 feet of the rear of the vehicle. Press and hold the liftgate trunk button on your smart key fob for more than 1 second and the liftgate or trunk will open. If you have a Genesis GV60 equipped with a power charging door, pressing and holding this button will open and close the charging door. If activated, the panic function will sound the horn and flash the hazard warning lights for around 30 seconds. To activate, press and hold the panic button on your smart key fob for more than 1 second. To cancel the panic function, simply press any button on the smart key fob. If equipped, Remote Start allows you to turn on your Genesis from up to 32 feet away. To activate Remote Start, first press the door lock button on the smart key fob. Within 4 seconds of locking the door, press and hold the Remote Start button for more than 2 seconds and the vehicle engine will start. To turn off Remote Start, press the Remote Start button on your smart key fob once more. If equipped, this button allows operation of the Remote Smart Parking Assist, or RSPA, function in your Genesis. RSPA allows you to remotely move your Genesis forward or backward within a parking spot, and to execute reverse, parallel, or perpendicular parking maneuvers while you remain outside the vehicle. For more information on the operation of RSPA, be sure to watch our Remote Smart Parking Assist how-to video here. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.